In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download fonts safely, how to install fonts on your PC, and how to fix some challenges that you might encounter when installing these fonts. Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. If this is your first time, consider subscribing, turn on the notification bell icon so that anytime I drop a new video, you get notified. Okay, so first we're going to talk about where to download fonts. Alright, so I'm going to open my Google Chrome, my browser, and I'm going to type in dafonts.com. Alright, this is the website link, so I'm going to press on the enter key, and then this is how the website looks like. Alright, there are so many fonts here. If you look at this part, we have so many different fonts categorized into different types. Alright, we have fancy fonts, we have foreign look, we have the techno, we have bitmap, we have gothic, basic, script, and a whole lot. Alright, now there are some fonts that are free for personal use, some fonts are not free for personal use, some are free for commercial use, some are not free for commercial use. So before you download any font, you need to check out for that. Good. So in this video, I'm going to make use of this font here. Alright, it's called Bungia or something like that. Now if you look here, you're going to see free for personal use, which means that we can download this font and then use it for our own personal artwork, design, or personal use, but then we can't use it for commercial purposes. Right, and then there are some fonts that you can also use for both commercial and then personal use. So let's check out. Let's come here. So under fancy, I'm going to click on cartoon. Alright, and then let's see. Alright, now if you look at this font series, it's called Blue Winter. You're going to see 100% free, which means that you can use this particular font for personal use and then commercial use. Good. So let's go back because we want to download this font. Okay, I think the font is gone, so let's make use of this one on the Magic Castle here. Right, I'm going to click on download button here. Now my download is finished, so I'm going to open it in my download folder. So as you can see, we have two fonts here. We have the old landing. I just downloaded this not long ago, and then this is the font that we downloaded. Normally every font that you're going to download will come in a zip file format. All right, now we are going to look at how to install the font in Adobe Photoshop. All right, so first I'm going to double click on this font here to open it. Right, you're going to see some files when you open the fonts that you've downloaded. I need to look for files that end with either TTF or OTF. So if I should put my mouse cursor on this file here, you're going to see that it ends with TTF. All right, now if you don't see TTF and then you see OTF, it's the same thing. So that is the font that you need to install. So this is what we are going to do. I'm going to double click on it, and then top here you're going to see print and then install. So you're going to install it. I'm going to click on the install button, wait for some few minutes, and then automatically the font is installed. Right, so now let's go to our Adobe Photoshop and then check if the font is in there. Now don't forget the name. The name is the Magic Castle. So I'm going to open my Adobe Photoshop. All right, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm not going to create any document. All right, so you just want to check if the font we installed is in Adobe Photoshop. All right, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to add any text here. So I'll grab my text tool. So I have here bed. All right, and I'm just going to increase the text. Good. All right, now let's double click on it and then go to the font section, and then let's try searching for the font that we downloaded. All right, so I think the font is the Magic Castle, and then there we have the fonts here. So you're just going to click on it, and then voila, you are just done. It's very simple. Now if you're using Windows, you can follow the same procedure. If you're using Mac also, it's the same procedure. All right, so in some cases after installing your fonts, they are not going to show in Adobe Photoshop. So in this section you're going to look at how to deal with that problem. First, if Photoshop was open whilst you were installing the fonts, Photoshop will not detect the new font. So what you should do is to close your Photoshop completely and then open it again. And then also sometimes the name of the font changes. So for example, you'll go to your website that you're going to download the font. You download the font, right? For example, we downloaded maybe a font called Bold King, right? But then inside Photoshop, it can appear as Bold King regular. So sometimes you just have to type different parts of the name in the search bar to look for the exact font. All right, now you know how to download fonts, you know how to install them, and you also know how to deal with issues when installing your font in Adobe Photoshop. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing, turn on the notification bell icon so that anytime I drop new video, you'll be notified. Until I come your way with another video, I'm out.